Good morning, guys. This is Nicho, and he's gonna be opening some toys today. So we're gonna be revealing this Ryan's World egg. This is a mystery egg. Oh, we're here in the camera. Say hi.
Hi, friend.
I'll hold it for you. You open it. I'll hold it for you. Let's put it here. There's a string over here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes.
Alright, here. What's inside? We're gonna proceed and open the egg. How about that, Nicholas? Are you ready?
Oh, that's strong. Big up there, Nico.
Do me the honors, niggas. This is so awesome details, right?
Yes, Nico.
Let's go. Wow! Okay, now look.
Okay, water.
Oh.
We can put the alligator inside. Let's see.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew.
We're gonna be opening the second. Oh my God! It was 2 in 1. I don't know if it's a mistake or what happened. We just got lucky. This one is first one from here. Okay, right. That's so nice.
Wow.